There's a Chevrolet right there in the water. Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Mark. What is the strangest thing you've ever seen in the lake? I'm about to show you a pretty wild one. It's kind of crazy. I'm fishing along, Phil's in the back of the boat, and all of a sudden I look down and man, all I see is a bow tie. Like, what the hell? The car's in there vertical like this, and I'm just seeing the back of the hatch. It's nose down into the lake. It's like, wow. So anyway, absolutely bizarre. And do these guys get it? You'll have to watch and see. I've seen a lot of things on the lake, but it's rare to see a Chevrolet in the wild. The Chevrolet is now stuck. This thing was way out past that boat right now. But this Chevrolet apparently, what day is it? Monday? 3 days ago, somehow ended up out by that milk crate. It's about 6 feet deep out there. But it looks like they got it figured out. I mean, that is the pinnacle of salvage recovery right there. Absolute professionals. I think that Charger bass boat made it all happen. Round 2. Oh no. He's gonna hand it to him. Here, hold on to it. Get out of that chain, dude. That dude's gonna get jacked up. That's a fairly new car. Any fish in it? Oh man, isn't that nuts? I'll tell you right now, it's not often you see that kind of chaos on the lake, and I'm glad I was there. So anyway, I hope that never happens to you, but if it does, that's how you get your Chevrolet out of the lake. Have a great day. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take it easy.